Today I'm going to show you how to set parental restrictions and control PIN on Amazon Prime Video. This is a great way to ensure that younger viewers in your household only have access to age-appropriate content while keeping full control over what gets watched. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Go ahead and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, look at the top toolbar of the page where you'll find the Prime Video option. Go ahead and select it, or if you prefer, you can open Prime Video directly in your browser by typing it into the address bar. Now that you're in Prime Video, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll see your profile icon. Hover your mouse over it and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Account and Settings. This is where you'll find all the important controls for managing your Prime Video experience, including parental restrictions and security features. Once you're in Account and Settings, look at the top toolbar and select Permissions. This section is specifically designed for managing who can access what content and how your account is protected. It's the central hub for all privacy and restriction settings on your Prime Video account. In the Permissions section, locate Prime Video Account PIN. Right beside it, you'll see a Change button. This is where you'll set up your security PIN that prevents unauthorized purchases or access to restricted content. The PIN acts as a gatekeeper, ensuring that only those who know it can make changes or view certain material. You'll now be prompted to type in a 5-digit PIN. Choose something memorable but not too obvious, as this will be your main security measure. After entering your chosen PIN, make sure to save it. This PIN will now be required for purchases and accessing content beyond the viewing restrictions you're about to set. Next, navigate to Viewing Restrictions. This feature allows you to control the maximum age rating that can be accessed on this profile. You'll see various age rating options displayed, and you'll want to select the highest age rating you want that profile to access. For example, if you're setting this up for younger children, you might choose a lower rating to filter out mature content automatically, and that's it. You've successfully set up parental restrictions and a control PIN on Amazon Prime Video, giving you peace of mind about what content is accessible on your account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.